Hello guys, welcome back again in another exciting video. Love, what are you all doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. So guys, today I have come with another amazing, interesting topic. In today's topic, I will be discussing with you what are that you need to do to free yourself from the hand of the accusers. If you have somebody accusing you over something that you did not do, if you have somebody just trying to make up case even when you have not done anything, or maybe that particular case that person is trying to bring up, you know that rightly that case belongs to you, that particular property or that thing that you both are dragging belongs to you, but because the person has money more than you, because the person has leg more than you, he now wants to intimidate you. He now wants to take you to the next level, which is taking you to the court or even making you to be in a prison. If you have someone that has been accusing you over something that you did not do, you don't need to cry any longer. You don't need to start begging that person to take what you know that is rightfully belongs to you, or to leave you alone. You have a simple recipe, you have a simple method in which you can follow to handle this, and that is why I am here to tell you that easy step on what to do whenever you come across with somebody or someone that always accuses you of you doing something that you did not do. Apart from that, so many people are too, people these days can accuse someone over something that you know, just to take a bribe on your head, just to collect little money on someone's head, and then you start accusing that person that the person is the thief, the person did that, did this, and at the end of the day they will just give you the money, and whatever they will do to that person that you accuse wrongly is none of your business. It is wrong and it's a sin before man and also God. So if you have found yourself in such situation before, or you have someone that is into that situation right now as I am making this video, make sure that you share this with the person, that the person will know what to do, and by God's grace, the person that accuser will now, that person that accuse you, they will now return that case back to the person. Like, the person accusing you will not use his head and carry that thing that he or she is accusing you of. I don't know if you're getting me. This is a very simple but very interesting topic. So if you have someone who is going through this, whether it's you, whether it's your child, whether it's your neighbor, your lovely neighbor, whether it's one of your family member that is facing this, or maybe that is inside a police custody, inside prison, having court case because of wrong accusers, do this, and trust me, by God's grace, that person that is accusing that person wrongly, that case will be returned back to that person, and that person will use his head and carry that case, that thing that is accusing you of, innocently. All right, but before I go into that details, if today is your first time of seeing my face, you are highly welcome. In this channel, I will teach you how you can use some material things to solve some of your spiritual problems. And if you have been following me, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always supporting. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for always leaving your comment at the comment section. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, may God Almighty bless you. Now, to make your accusers to be accused same thing that they're accusing you of, I don't know if you're getting me. It's what you need to do. Get me a sharp knife. This is a sharp cutlass. It is called cutlass. Get a new one. As you can see in this video, I am making use of new cutlass. Get a new cutlass. That is number one. Number two, get me a native cola, forehead native cola. Yeah, oji bora and oji igbo. This is for me. I cannot lay my hand on it, but we all know what forehead cola is all about. Yes, Igbo native cola. So when you get it, this is what you need to do. Early in the morning, when you wake up from your sleep, do not greet anybody. Don't greet your partner. don't greet your children. Just carry this knife and the 4 head kola, 4 native head kola. Now, step in or step out from your door. You know that place that sun always sets in the morning. That is where you are going to be facing. While you are facing it, drop this cutlass on the ground and match your feet, your 2 feet, like this, on top of this knife, and then raise up that kola, that 4 native head kola. Raise it up and begin to make a prayer concerning that situation, concerning that accuser. If you know the name of that accuser, that person that is accusing you wrongly, call the name 4 times. That is the reason why we are making use of what? 4 head kola. And if there is any person if there is anybody or any group or anybody supporting that person to be accusing you of what you did not do, that is why we are making use of 4 head kola, which signifies west, north, south, and east. Anywhere they have gathered to be accusing you of something that you did not do, that let that thing in which they are accusing you of, let it do what? Let them use their head and carry it. Let other people accuse them of same thing that they're accusing you, and let you be free from all their evil manipulation of them accusing you. You are going to be raising that kola up after making that prayer, facing where sun normally sets in the morning, while standing, putting your feet, your 2 feet on the surface of this knife like this. You make that prayer, serious prayer, and after making that prayer, use that kola to touch your forehead. Use that kola, touch it on your forehead, and then immediately, do not enter inside your room again. Immediately, you can close the door, and then look for any junction of your choice. Go and show that kola. What I give your accuser is 2 weeks. Is 2 weeks, and the person will come begging you to leave her alone or him alone. The person accusing you wrongly will come begging you to forgive him or her. The person accusing you, before you know it, that thing that they are accusing you of, they will not hold it. They will not use it to hold that person. If they're taking that case to police case, the police will not turn against that person, and they hold that person and they will release you. This is a very simple method. So I have a lot to teach on this cutlass that most of people don't know. A new cutlass. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe, and also make sure to share my video. Like this video, because the more you're liking it, the more it will be generally making such secretive, assignments. Alright? So guys, that is the gospel truth about how you can make your accuser to be how you can make your accuser to be accused of what they are accusing you of. Very simple method. Alright, so guys, that's just the end of this video. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, thank you for sharing. And if you feel that you want to contact us, please feel free to contact us. Okay, contact us on the WhatsApp, which is 090-59825779, 090-59825779. Okay, only on WhatsApp. Please do not call, because I may not be able or exposed to pick your call. So guys, that is just the end of this video, and we have other products that you can order as well. A lot of products, just chat us on WhatsApp, and we will give you our product list and you make a selection. So that is the end of this video. Please, after watching this video, give this video a thumbs up, like it, and leave your comment in the comment section. See you on my next episode. Please have a lovely day.